Oh my gosh. This book is really nice. Oh wait, I'm getting a call from the school. Oh great. Okay. Hi. Oh, a thunderstorm? A thunderstorm? There's a thunderstorm happening and you did not tell me? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll be on my way. Alright guys, so apparently there's a thunderstorm happening at my daughter's school. Like, it doesn't look bad right now, but there's gonna be a thunderstorm really soon. And so now I have to go pick Estella up. So let's go. I'll see you once I'm there. Okay. Hi, darling. Hi, Estella. Quick, get in now. No. Fine, I guess you're not going to Disney and you're going to die by the thunderstorm. All right. How was daycare, baby? Oh, the clouds are getting dark. Even though it's 9 a.m. Can you believe that? Yeah, well, it was 9 a.m. I'm just hoping that nothing bad happens, you know? Because that would be really bad. I remember we had to move out of Brookhaven because there was too much thunderstorms. Okay, we're home. All right, let's go. Here, I'll pick you up. Okay, let's go. Let's put you inside your bedroom. Okay, alright, so anyways, here, just go nap, alright? Let me just go. Okay. There. I'm gonna keep the windows open. Just tell me if you see anything, alright? Okay, I'm gonna be in the bathroom. Estella! Why are you out of your crib? Oh my gosh, the rain is starting. Here, come on, quick. Let's try to get somewhere, safer, okay? Right, let me just go pick you up and get you. Where are you? Estella, quick. Hurry up, come on. The door just opened somehow. Okay, so here, maybe in here? No, we have windows in here, I forgot. I have a great idea. What about what if we go in the garage maybe? Right, because that would be much easier. All right, quick, make a run for it. Come on, Estella, hurry up, come quick. Oh my gosh, I see a tornado over there. Oh my gosh, get in the garage, quick. Oh my gosh, I need to park the car. Stay in the garage. What? I'm sorry, baby. All right, I think we're pretty much safe here. Maybe I can try calling your dad to see if he could come home. Hi. Yes, no, there's a really bad tornado and thunderstorm happening. You have to come home. You have to Stay safe. Love you. Bye. I can't believe that your dad has to go to Brookhaven for his work. Ugh. This is so unbelievably stupid. And plus, we need food. Oh my gosh. What are we gonna do? Here, stay inside the garage. Oh my gosh, there's a tornado. Oh my gosh. Quick, get inside the house. Quick, get out the garage. Get out the garage. Come on. Let's go fast. Close the door. Oh my gosh. No, but I mean, I guess we could try to go stay somewhere. Okay, come on. All right, let's go. Why would you close the garage door? Maybe in the apartments, I've heard they've had tons of great options. Alright, babe, we're almost at the apartments, okay? Alright, I see it over there. Okay, perfect. Let's see if they still have space for us, because I'm sure they have plenty of room. Alright, so I guess we can park over here, much farther away from the windows. Alright, come on, let's go. Quick. Alright, I think we have space on floor 6. Okay, you get it. Alright. You need permission, me.
Wait, how do I do it?
Okay. Here, let me just.
Wait,
All right,
actually,
let's go over here. Over here. Here, I got it. Okay. Quick, get in. All right. I think we're safe in here. Oh, wow, this actually has a pretty great view. It's pretty. Oh, look how beautiful this is.
Windows. You have peeking windows.
I think this is where you're going to be sleeping. I'll be sleeping hopefully over here tonight, maybe. Oh, no, that's a bathroom. Hopefully I'm not sleeping there. This isn't, oh, no, that's not my bedroom. Oh, this is my bedroom. If you want, you can sleep with me in the crib. Well, you can sleep in the crib. All right, let's just maybe go to, oh my gosh, stop it, Estella. Let's hopefully go to bed and nap for a bit and hope for the thunderstorm to end. Oh my gosh, Estella, are you already awake?
Yeah, Mommy.
Okay, it was just a quick nap. It's not anything like big. Have you checked outside yet? Wait! We're safe!
Yay!
Looks like it didn't get to us. Come on, let's go back home now. How do I get this curtain to... Oh my gosh, baby!